Start with 2, select cell first, then you click icon. Salah. You cannot select, then click the sigma. You cannot do that. Then B, salah dia lah pangkat. C, start with 3. Label the row, then you can label first. Lepas tu followed by 2. Select cell. You cannot select cell. You have to click what? 1 first. That's why this C is wrong. Nampak tak? Then you go to D. You start with team data boleh. 3 label the row boleh. Then you select the cell. Salah dah. It should be 1 then 2. Nampak tak? Dia tak boleh 2 and 1. That is the trick of Microsoft Excel. Understand tak? When you use auto, before you put the sum, the formula sum, you choose the cell first, then the formula will ask you which cell to which cell. You let sum. That's why you cannot select cell, then you put the formula. Understand? Whatever you select the cell is all in the mind. Tapi in calculation, you have to put the formula, then you select cell. Understand tak? In Excel. So the answer is A. Hanya A saja A. Okay, next question. Why should learners review the computer mark TMA? Have you all seen your TMA? You all have one paper with assignment, one or two papers. You can go to your user profile. Inside user profile, you can check your exam result. There's a TMA. So, it's a bunch of comment daripada tutor untuk assignment yang lepas. What is the purpose of reading that comment? To improve ourselves for future lah, betul tak? So, which is the answer? Yeah, answer is B. To improve future. Next question. In a subjective type question, ini bila jawab soalan subjektif. What is expected in the answer if it is stated explain? Kalau disuruh explain, apa yang patut kita jawab? Okay, so let me do a division first with you. So here, there are many types of keywords. I will choose the important one for you. Number 1, discuss. Discuss means what? Bincangkan. Bincang, write about different aspects. Bincang. Bincangkan perkembangan pendidikan jarak jauh di Malaysia. So you tulis lah perkembangan. Apa-apa lah you think is suitable. Describe means huraikan. Yeah? So write about different aspect, write about the subject. Huraikan dengan bincangkan sama lah. Discuss and describe. Discuss means you can write yes or no, good and bad. Okay, anything, pros and cons. Tapi describe ni kita jelaskan, kita huraikan apa yang sebenarnya berlaku. Okay? Then the next one is explain.